In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Twitch chat to OBS Studio. If you want your Twitch chat to appear directly inside your stream layout, OBS makes that possible with a browser source. This is a very common setup for streamers, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few moments to get everything in place. To begin, open your OBS Studio app. Make sure you're in the scene where you want the chat to appear, because any source you add will be placed into the currently selected scene. Taking a second to confirm that now can save you from having to move things around later. Next, go to the Sources panel. This is the area in OBS where you manage all the visual elements that appear on your stream, like your camera, game capture, overlays, and in this case, your chat box. In the Sources section, click the plus icon to add a new source. This opens the list of source types you can insert into your scene. Since Twitch chat is usually added using a web-based overlay link, the option you want here is Browser. Click on Browser and OBS will prompt you to create the source. You can usually keep the default settings for now, then click OK to continue. This opens the browser source properties window where you'll connect your chat overlay. Now click on the URL field. This is where OBS loads the web content that will be shown inside your scene. Delete any existing text if necessary and enter the overlay URL for your Twitch chat. This URL typically comes from the chat widget or overlay service you're using, so make sure you paste the correct link here. Once the overlay URL has been entered, click OK. OBS will then create the browser source and load your Twitch chat into the scene. At this point, you should be able to see the chat window appear on your canvas. If needed, you can click and drag the chat box to reposition it and resize it so it fits neatly into your stream layout. This helps make sure the chat is readable without covering important parts of your content. If the chat doesn't appear right away, double check that the URL was pasted correctly and that the source is visible in the sources list. And that's it. You've successfully added Twitch chat to OBS Studio, and your stream layout is now a little more interactive and viewer friendly.